Finally, welcome to my YouTube channel. I have been wanting to say this since so long, and now that it's happening, it almost feels unreal. So I was confused between two videos, like which one should I shoot first, and I asked you guys. I did a poll on Instagram asking what would you guys want to see first, my New Year's resolution video or a get to know me tag, and most of you voted for my New Year's resolution video. So here I am. How do YouTubers talk so much? So since 2019 has just started, I have set some goals for myself, and I'm going to be sharing my goals with you all. So I hope you guys also resonate with them and pick some of them for yourselves too. So yeah, let's get started. Number 1, fixing my sleeping schedule. So last year my sleeping schedule was, actually I didn't have any schedule only. I used to sleep late at night and wake up at 11, 12 or even 1. So मेरा आधा दिन तो वही waste हो जाता था, and it used to be very difficult for me to get up early for college or for any other work. So yes, I want to fix my sleeping schedule. I want to make a proper schedule that I'll sleep before 12 and wake up before 9 or 10 maximum. Number 2, mental peace, which includes staying calm, stop overthinking, being positive and a lot more positive. So I fall in that category of people. जो अगर बात भी करते हैं तो the other person feels like I'm either shouting or being rude or I'm arguing. So which is so not the case. तो इस साल मेरे को थोड़ा polite होना है. I want to learn how to I want to be soft spoken and stop overthinking at all. I am a pro overthinker, which creates a lot of problems which does not even exist. So yes. Number 3, taking care of myself. So I am the most careless person when it comes to myself. In 2018, I took so many medicines. Oh my god, 365 days में से 300 days तो I was on medication only. So in 2019, I want to be a little more careful. I want to take extra care of myself. I want fixing a skincare routine, oiling my hair before washing it, thoda exercise, meditation, and drink a lot of water. Oh, also I had a really bad toothache last night, so brushing my teeth twice a day is my thing. Number 4, I move out of Assam. So I really wanted to go out for my further studies after my 12th, that is high secondary. So, but for some odd reasons I could not. So I'm really looking forward to completing my graduation and going out of Assam. Number 5, learn video editing. Yes, क्योंकि I shot so many videos before also for YouTube, but I was really struggling with the editing part. So I want to learn video editing by myself so that I am not dependent on anyone and I can work and post whenever I want to. Number 6, I want to get better in replying to messages and calls. If you are my friend, you know what I'm talking about. Wait, I'll show you. I still have 1526 messages from 207 chats. I just don't like to scroll and read, and I am just too lazy to type kind of person. But I'm not proud of it, and I really want to get better in this. Also, if you call me and I'm busy somewhere else and I'll tell you that okay, I'll call you back in a few minutes or in an hour, please don't trust me. I'll forget to call you. So yes, I want to get better in this. क्योंकि ना होता है कि कभी-कभी कुछ important चीजें भी छूट जाती हैं, and when I tell my friends, hey, why did you tell me? So they are like, और मत देखो message. So yes, getting better in replying to messages and calls. Number 7, I want to spend some more time with my grandparents, my ma and dadaji, because A, they are so cute, and B, they are very funny. My dadi is very funny, I tell you, and you know, it feels so good and blessed that you have grandparents who care about you, जिसके लिए आप बहुत मैटर करते हो. I feel so blessed when my grandfather asked my mom where is Guddu. Okay, Guddu is my nickname by the way. So when he asked where is she or when is she coming, so I feel so safe and protected. I feel like okay, someone is there, who cares so much. So yes, spending more time with Ma and Dadaji. Number 8, I want to start reading and writing again. So I still remember when I was in class 8 or 9, I used to read so many books, so many novels, love stories, self-help books and everything. And I also used to write journals or diary at the end of the day, which made me feel so good. Like मेरे को ऐसा लगता था my diary is my best friend and I can be myself with my diary. I used to call my diary Kitty. Yes, किसी से चुराया ही था मैंने ये नाम. So हाँ, मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा ऐसे लिखना. I learned it from my brother. He used to write and फिर धीरे धीरे सब reading भी कम हो गई और writing भी कम हो गई. So I really want to start that habit again. So I've already fulfilled my resolution number 9 and started working on it. That is my blog and my YouTube channel. So I wanted to start my YouTube channel बहुत पहले ही, like in August only. But as I told you, I was struggling with the editing part. But I was like, oh, I can't delay it anymore, and I want to start my channel in 2019 के January में anyhow. So yes, here I am filming my first video and I have already updated my blog and I will be posting my first blog very soon. Number 10, and the most exciting and adventurous one for me, I really want to go on a solo trip. My brother and my mother, if they are watching this, I am sure they would not let me go only after hearing this. But I really want to go on a solo trip, explore a completely new place by myself. And I love spending time with myself. I love being alone and observing things and learning and everything, meet new people. So yes, ज़रूरी नहीं कि दूर जाऊँ, पास में भी हो तो I'll make sure that I do it before 2019 ends. So yeah, that's it. I really hope I'll be able to fulfill these resolutions because oh my god, there are so many resolutions that I've made in the past 20 years and I've never been able to fulfill more than 2 of them. So this time, fingers crossed, I hope मैं अपने सारे goals and resolutions पूरे कर पाऊँ. Anyway, that's about it for my first video. I really hope you guys liked it and enjoyed watching it. Trust me, I'm very nervous. Like it took me more than 2 hours to film this video. This is gonna be a completely new journey and I'm super excited for it. I have been wanting to do this for so long. So if you like this video, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below your New Year resolutions. I would love to read them. Also, please subscribe to my channel. Come and join my YouTube family. It would mean a lot to me. I'll be making videos about fashion, beauty, lifestyle, DIYs, basically everything that I know and learn over the period. So yes, also a big fat hug to each one of you who made it till the end. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Oh shit, happy New Year.